Good morning, ma'am. Myself B.keerthi from CSM department. My topic is about triple integral problem. Definition of the triple integral. We have seen that the geometry of the double integral involves cutting the two-dimensional region into tiny rectangles, multiplying the area of the rectangle by the value of the function there, adding the areas up and taking a limit as the size of the rectangle approaches 0. We have also seen that this is equivalent to finding the double integrated integral. We will now take this idea to the next dimension. Instead of the region in the xy plane, we will consider a solid in xyz space instead of cutting up the region into the rectangles. We will cut up the solid into rectangular solid, and instead of multiplying the function value by the area of the rectangle, we will multiply the function value by the volume of the rectangular solid. We can define the triple integral as a limit of a sum of the product of the function times the value of the rectangular solids. Instead of the double integral being equivalent to the double integrated integral, the triple integral is equivalent to the triple integrated integral. Here is the x limit constant or in the terms of y and z, y limit constants or in the terms of x and z, z limit constant or in terms of y and z. For example, the triple integral is equivalent as the repeated integral. Integral x1 to x2, integral y1 to y2, integral z1 to z2, f of x, y, z, dx, dy, dz, where the limits are z and z1 and z2 are which are constant or function of x and y. The limit of y or y1 and y2 which are constant or a function of x. The limit or x or x1 and x2 which are constant or function of the z. First, f of x, y, z is integrated. Written z between the limits z1 and z2, keeping the x and y are constant. The resulting expression is integrated written y between the limits y1 and y2, keeping the x as the constant. The result is a final integrated with written x between the limits x1 and x2. Integral x1 x2, integral y1 y2, integral z1 z2, f of x, y, z dx, dy, dz is equals to integral x1 to x2, integral y1 of x, y2 of x, integral z1 x, y, z2 x, y, f of x, y, z dz, dy, dx. Here is the question. Integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, integral 0 to x plus log y, e power x plus y plus z, dz, dy, dx. Here is the solution for that question. Integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, integral 0 to x plus log y. We have to write individual of a z and x plus y. E power x plus y, e power z, dx, dz, dy, dx. Integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, e power x plus y, and we have to apply the integral to the e power z into 0 to x plus log y, dy, dz. Integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, e power x plus y, e power x plus log y minus e naught, dy, dx. Integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, e power x plus y into e power x plus log y minus e naught, dy, dx. Integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, e power x, e power y, e power x, e power log, e power y minus 1, dy by dx. Integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, e power x, e power y into e power x y minus 1 into dx, dy. Integral 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x, e power 2x, e power y, y minus e power x, e power y, dy, dx. You have to do multiply with the e power x, e power y into in bracket terms. 0 to log 2, integral 0 to x e power 2x y e power x minus e power x into e power y dy dx. Log integral log 0 to log 2 e power 2x into y e power y minus e power y minus e power x into e power y integral 0 to x dx. Integral 0 to log 2 e power 2x into x e power x minus e power x minus e power x into e power x minus e power 2x 0 to minus 1 minus e power x into 1 dx. Integral 0 to log 2 e power 3x minus e power 3x minus e power 2x plus e power 2x plus e power x dx. Integral 0 to log 2 x e power 3x minus e power 3x plus e power x dx. Again x e power 3x by 3 minus 1 e power 3x by 9 minus e power 3x by 3 plus e power x log 0 to log 2. Log 2 e power 3 e power log 2 by 3 minus e power 3 log 2 by 9 minus e power 3 log 2 by 3 plus e power log 2 minus 0 minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 8 by 3 log 2 minus 8 by 9 minus 8 by 3 plus 2 minus 0 minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 8 by 3 log minus 8 plus 24 minus 18 by 9 minus 9 by 2 8 by 3 log minus 14 by 9 minus 5 by 9 8 by 3 log 2 minus 19 by 9 is the final answer. Thank you for giving this opportunity.